Starting. Hey guys! Oh, pretty bad.
We have started the video, yo people! What's up?
And it's Kurt right over there.
And that is my brother, Dark Stars 100.
Wag ka na.
That is my brother Dark Star 100, yo people.
Hello, what's up? Dark Stars 100. Okay, he's joining us. He's joining. Three of my friends are joining, or my cousins.
That is LOL Gamer.
That's my friend, and I one is LOL Gamer. So, where we going? Alaskan Village or Fred this stuff, whatever that is. Can I borrow the headset right now?
Oh, yeah.
We're doing.
Come on.
So, they're hanging out, whatever they're doing.
Yeah, we're hanging out.
What did you just do? Did you just disconnect?
No, I did. I was calling my brother.
He's calling his brother. Oh my god. We're joining an
We're
LBH.
starting, yo, and here is my brother.
Where? Where are you guys? Oh, there's LOL Gamer. Is that you?
Yeah, that's me, LOL Gamer. So, hey, everybody, subscribe to Master Creepercraft Animations
And subscribe to Creepercraft
Animation.
Animations. The videos of them are in the description below.
Yeah, I'm here. I'm at my house right now.
So if you can hear that other brother of this guy, because we're just calling him. Okay, where are we joining? Where?
Hey, Shrine Star, he's calling you.
What? What? What?
That's me, LOL Gamer.
Wait, what? What?
I am on the last village right now. I'm on blue.
You're blue? Where do we join?
Alaskan Village.
Alaskan?
Destroy them all.
I'm Team Green.
Hey, dude, he's Team Green.
And there's a freaking red with diamond sword. Is
Let's go Green.
that a...
Hello.
Hello, we're here. Guys.
You join Green. I'm color Green too.
Yeah.
You change your team, dude. You're VIP. I know. You're not VIP.
He's not VIP.
Yes, because, you know.
Hello! 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 If you can see, that's my friend. LOL game.
Now talk now.
I can't even fit to this.
He'll be back
So our friend will be back just a minute.
soon.
Okay, soon will be possible, I hope.
I can hear a ghost here.
Hey, can I get some? Can I get the gold?
I don't have armor. I don't have items anyways.
Can I get that gold, please?
Yeah. I don't have any gold.
Me too. Do I have? I don't know if I have.
Hey, my brother, what are you doing?
Let's go up. Let's go up. LOL gamer. Let's go up. You wanna go up?
Fine.
I can't even go up. I can't.
Oh my
I'm so-
gosh, who is this guy?
I'm back. I'm back.
Okay. The other player, she said, is back. Darkstar Gamer is back, guys.
He means Dark Stars 100.
I mean Darkstar 100. Sorry if I got wrong. I only have like 200.
You should work out on your grammar. He's back.
Okay, he's back, guys. If you
So-
can't hear him, I'm very sorry if you can't.
Did you die?
No, we didn't die. Sorry. You shall not say that. We're on the back of the house. Color green. What's your color again? There's so many green partying here.
I'm not here though.
Can we just make a group right now?
What kind of house?
Yeah. Where am I?
Yeah.
I don't have any like armor stuff.
Hey, hello?
Hello.
I need some armor. I freaking don't have any armor. I'm just like serious right
Me
now.
too. I don't have any armor, so yeah. You're not alone.
Are you dead?
No.
Are you still
Yes.
We're still alive.
Why are we gonna die?
What did you just freaking say? Okay, can I get some armor?
Find the freaking button. You know that one.
Yeah, I know that.
No, we're not dying. We're too cool to die. We're color green.
We're at the snow area
Yeah.
with
near
a
the
lot
grass.
of greens.
Yes. He's color blue.
Sorry guys, I just got low back. Oh yeah, freaking bro. There's a chicken following you. That's its pet.
And yeah, it's raining here. It's also raining there.
Wait, we have to make a group so they can hear it as well.
Yeah, let's. Hey, my brother. I'm gonna create a group with Winter and you.
Because we don't have any group, they won't hear them.
Yeah.
They won't hear
They
it.
won't hear you because they can't make a group. So I'm gonna create a group.
It's freaking raining. It's raining. Bro,
What's your name?
oh my god, you don't.
Wait.
Wait, I forgot. I don't have any.
Yeah, you have.
I don't have. I don't have any. I know. I don't have any messenger.
You have.
I don't have. I freaking don't have.
What do you call this? You left the group?
Because I don't have.
Okay, fine.
Okay, I forgot that I don't have. Hey, bro, Kuya JC.
Stop speaking Tagalog.
That's just Kuya. I can't join to the group because I don't have any messenger. I only have messenger in my iPhone. That's all.
So yeah. So you should I should say what you should say to me what are you going to say in the YouTube so they can hear. Okay?
Who just opened the door?
It's a monster.
I'm scared if I'm alone. Then I just.
No,
I have a lot of armor on me.
I thought you don't have armor. You said.
Kuya JC, I will chat.
Hey, did you see Shrine Star say hi?
Would I just say 1,000?
Hey, hey, Dark Star. Did you see Shrine Star said hi? Did you hear Shrine Star said hi? Okay, then you're here.
Okay.
We're complete, except for the rain.
Give me that woods. Bro, give me that woods. Okay, you can.
Yeah, me too. We can hear you over the rain.
Bro, we can't hear anything. Sorry guys if I'm really sorry. I'm just gonna turn a little bit of my volume.
Yeah.
Sorry.
If you can't hear this guy because he's too awesome for you, so you better shut up.
Shout out to Creeper Craft Animations and Master.
Hey everybody, shout out to Creepercraft Animations YT. You should subscribe.
I just hear some like gust.
Yeah, I hear something ghastly here.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that's cool.
I have to buy. I only have 220.
You have 220 gold, I have 730.
What? You can buy diamond helmet.
Yeah, actually. What? What did you said? Hello? I can hear you loud and clear already. Okay, I hear.
I have the iron leggings. I mean
Good.
iron boots.
Me too, I have an iron leggings and an iron boot. What is your armor, my brother?
Bro, it's raining. Guys, let's just pause this first. Sorry guys for the rain. So guys, if you're watching this, please, I just died.
No, you paused the video, you said.
Wait, I paused the video and then it's paused.
In the highway. Highway. Oh,
So guys, we're gonna end this video
because
because this is getting so bad.
very.
Asala, forgive me.
Forgive us.
Forgive me. Ah, okay, bye guys.